use the modal verbs to talk about ability, permission, instructions, requests, suggestions, advice, offers, invitations, obligations, and necessity. Ability. Can is used to talk about skills or general abilities in the present or future. Jane can speak many languages. We use could to talk about skills or abilities in the past time. Michael could run when he was 5. Could have is used to talk about someone who had the ability or opportunity to do something in the past but did not do it. Michael could have learned French, but he didn't have time. Permission. We use can, could, and may to ask for permission to do something, but could and may are more polite than can. Can I ask a question? Could I open the door, please? May we go home now, please? We use can and may to give permission, but may is a more formal and polite way. You can borrow my camera if you like. You may borrow my camera if you like. We use can and may to say that someone has permission to do something, but may is more formal and polite. You can take my pen whenever you want. Poor patients may be treated free. Instructions and requests. We use could you and would you as polite ways of asking someone to do something. Could you open the door, please? Would you carry this bag for me, please? Can and will are less polite. Can you open the door? Will you carry this bag for me? Suggestions and advice. Should is used to make suggestions and give advice. You should write me a report. We should study hard. We use could to make suggestions. We could go to the cinema. We use conditionals to give advice. Peter will help you with your homework if you ask him. Past tenses are more formal and polite. Peter would help you with your homework if you ask him. Offers and invitations. We use can I and shall I to make offers. Can I carry the bag for you? Shall I help you with that? We also use I can, I could, or I'll to make an offer. I can give you a ride to the college. I'll carry this box for you. We use would you like to for invitations. Would you like to have a sandwich with me? We use you must or we must for a very polite invitation. We must see you soon. Obligation and necessity. Must is used to say that there is something necessary to do. You must obey your parents. Students must do their homework. We use had to for necessity in the past. We had to visit our friend yesterday as he had an accident.